Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the earbuds and phone. This avoids pairing conflicts. First, put both WF-1000XM4 earbuds into the charging case and close the lid, then wait 5 seconds. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone and forget the device so you remove old pairing data. This makes a clean reset. While you wait, make sure the case has power. If you plan a manual factory reset, have a thin pin ready to press tiny recessed buttons. This speeds the process. Now perform the factory reset so you remove saved settings. With the earbuds in the open case, press and hold the touch sensors on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This triggers the internal reset sequence. You'll see LED feedback. Watch for alternating or sustained orange flashes. Once visible, keep holding until it finishes. Once the lights stop and indicate completion, close and reopen the case, then reopen Bluetooth on your phone. This sequence clears pairing info. Finish by repairing and confirming sound. Place the case next to your phone and open the lid. The earbuds enter pairing mode and appear as WF-1000XM4 in Bluetooth. Tap to connect. If pairing fails, make sure the case and earbuds have sufficient charge, restart your phone, and repeat the factory reset once more. Intermittent Bluetooth caches can block fresh connections. If problems persist, update firmware via the Sony Headphones Connect app or reach Sony support. This fixes stubborn connectivity or firmware corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.